Good morning, everyone. Today is February 27th, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Before we get started, please note and read the disclaimer that you just saw on your screen. It's Friday, guys, another great successful day for our student. Again, I will be narrating the trades that he took live this morning using the HyperFX system and taking you through the trades that were taken for today. So today you're noticing that, on your screen, his first particular trade that he took. Now this is the same setup that our chief analyst, he does his market recaps on this daily, which uses Renko charts, combining it with our HyperFX zigzag indicator, using either a horizontal or angled trend lines, depending on the position of support and resistance levels, or of course the dots in this case. So basically, when we have a higher high for the resistance level, we use horizontal trend lines, and we also use horizontal trend lines when we have lower lows on the support levels. So unlike other systems and indicators, we focus on price action. And we firmly believe that the price action is the only true indicator of what the market will do. So we don't encourage our students to use lagging indicators, as the past can never really tell you what the future is going to do or what the market's going to do in the future. So I've mentioned this before. It's like really driving a car while looking in the rear view mirror. You want to focus on what is in front of you and take your trades based on that. So here you go, guys. This was his second trade for the day. You're noticing that he's drawing his horizontal trend lines, and there you go. He's placed his arrow there. That's a sell signal, and also you're going to notice that today the trades that he is in, they tend to be a bit longer, and that's because with this system you let your profits ride a little bit because you go with the trend, and therefore the profit potential is much higher as well. Yes, you're in a particular trade for a little bit longer, but benefit of that, you can also make more money and get better profits than with one of our other setups where you're taking multiple entries but for shorter profits. So our student going forward will be taking his trades, his live trades, using this strategy so that you guys can get an idea of how the setup actually works and how you can scalp and achieve about 1 to 3% daily. So much bigger trades in terms of profits today. This second trade, I believe he took just over $100. His first trade for the day, which you guys saw earlier, he took profits of about $300, which is great. So my goal is really to show you guys various HyperFX strategies that we use to scalp the market on a shorter time frame, which also means that we're limiting our exposure in the market but also increasing our profit potential. So this system is extremely simple, but yet extremely powerful. I mean, if you've noticed our technical analyst every day that he posts his videos, pay close attention to how he draws his lines, horizontal lines, and the entries where you would have taken had you been trading that particular chart. He takes you into much more details than, of course, I can here. This is his third trade for the day, guys. Again, he drew his trend line. This is an up arrow, so he entered a buy trade for this particular trade, and I believe he took just about $60 to $70 on this trade. So overall, today he did just over 2%. Which is really exciting for him. He's been just trading his live account, his live $10,000 account, just over 2 weeks now and getting very consistent results. So you've seen him do 1 to 2% every single day, which is of course great for him. And again, this is something that we will focus more in our workshop. We're going to also cover our more advanced systems along with our powerful strategies, such as this one. Once you've mastered these systems, it will really provide you with the right tools that you'll need to navigate the Forex market successfully. And that's really our goal. Once a student has taken our workshop, we really work closely with you so that you can double your demo account, and really before opening, trading on your live account, really feel comfortable trading and knowing that you're going to have successful days. Of course, you'll have some losing days as well, but overall, you've seen from our live videos, overall for the week, the weeks tend to be profitable, which is the key. Fourth trade here, guys. This was just before 11 a.m. this morning. He was in this trade for a fairly longer time than he was in the other trades. So actually, he just wanted to end his day, and I believe he took about $10 on this particular trade just because he wanted to finish his day before 11. And this is something we also teach you guys, not to be stuck in one particular trade, especially when the market's not doing much. So on your screen, you'll notice that we're drawing trend lines. Once the price action or Renko bars across these trend lines, that's when we enter a trade and take that particular trade. There you go, guys, on your screen. Coming back, this was his closing balance. This is just under 3 weeks of work, just over 30%, almost approaching that. Under 3 weeks. So really excited. And this is it for me, guys. I will be talking to you on Monday. Happy trading until then. Have a great weekend, guys.